If you're looking for a web hosting provider that combines affordability with reliability, HostGator is one of the most recognized names in the industry. Founded in 2002, HostGator has grown to host millions of websites worldwide, making it a trusted choice for bloggers, small businesses, and developers alike. One of the first things that stands out about HostGator is its versatility. They offer a wide range of hosting options including shared hosting, VPS, dedicated servers, cloud hosting, and specialized WordPress hosting. This variety ensures that whether you're starting a personal blog or running a high-traffic business site, HostGator has a plan that fits your needs perfectly. Performance-wise, HostGator is reliable and consistent. Their servers are optimized for speed, which is critical for keeping visitors engaged and improving SEO rankings. Most plans include unmetered bandwidth, allowing your site to handle traffic spikes without slowing down. Along with fast page loading times, HostGator guarantees an uptime of 99.9%, which is reassuring if you want your website to stay online and accessible at all times. Their integration with Cloudflare adds an extra layer of performance and security, further improving website speed and protecting against potential online threats. Security is a key focus at HostGator. All plans come with free SSL certificates to encrypt data, and they offer daily or weekly automated backups, depending on your plan, so you don't have to worry about losing your website's data. Additionally, they employ advanced monitoring tools to prevent malware attacks and keep your website safe from vulnerabilities. For anyone who wants peace of mind when hosting their website, these security features are a major plus. When it comes to managing your website, HostGator's control panel is intuitive and beginner-friendly. Even if you're completely new to web hosting, you can easily navigate the dashboard, install WordPress or other CMS platforms with a single click, and manage domains, emails, and databases without any technical stress. For advanced users, HostGator also provides SSH access, custom cron jobs, and full support for PHP, MySQL, and other programming tools, making it flexible enough to handle more complex projects. Customer support is another strong point for HostGator. They offer 24/7 support via live chat, phone, and email, with a team that is generally quick to respond and helpful in resolving issues. Their support portal also includes a comprehensive knowledge base, tutorials, and FAQs, which is perfect if you prefer solving minor issues yourself. Additionally, their 45-day money-back guarantee gives you ample time to test their services risk-free, which is especially useful if you're hesitant about committing to a hosting provider for the long term. In conclusion, HostGator is a well-rounded hosting provider that balances affordability, performance, and ease of use. It's suitable for beginners who need a straightforward setup, as well as more advanced users who require flexibility and advanced features. With scalable plans, strong uptime, solid security, and responsive customer support, HostGator remains a top choice for anyone looking to host a website without any unnecessary complications. Whether you're launching your first blog or managing multiple high-traffic sites, HostGator provides the reliability and support you need to succeed online.